This is Connie. She's a design engineer.
I'm a design engineer at Nemo Equipment. Nemo is a young company. We're based in New Hampshire, and we make tents. I knew I wanted to do something in science and engineering. I also wanted to keep playing sports. The school I went to helped me do both. A lot of people that I played sports with, especially on my basketball team, were doing really cool things, and they had to do with sports engineering. And I was thinking, wow, that's what I want to do. How do I do that? I really, really want to do this. I have to pursue this because it took what I was passionate about and combined it with what I was good at. That's something I could contribute to. This is a Morpho AR. It's an air beam tent. This is the Nemo air beam. Let me pump this up a little bit. The air beams are the support structures for the tent. So in place of poles, my job is to make sure that they can perform up to spec. I can hear the air in there fully expanding this air beam. So right now it's at about 7 psi, which is the operating pressure. You wouldn't think that's filled with air. We do a lot of testing. So this is our rain chamber tester. Don't be deceived by its looks. It's actually very high tech. It uses lawn sprinklers.
In a virtual rainstorm,
you can really see what happens when you take your products to the limits, and that's really what we're trying to do here.
if there's a problem, you can see it right away, because you'll get really, really wet. It looks good to go.
This is not the usual way we transport our tents when we're camping. This is our version of a wind tunnel. This gives us a controlled way to increase the speed. We can incrementally increase that wind speed.
Looking for 25?
Yep, 25. The performance of a tent is dependent on a lot of factors, and its ability to withstand wind is a really important one. Let's go to 30.
Got it.
It's a good thing that we're not seeing much movement. 35.
Cool.
All that noise was generated from the strapping.
But the rest of the tent is dead static.
Try 50.
Works for me.
The tent's just barely feeling the effects of the wind. That's 55 miles an hour.
Everything is totally stationary. It's whatever you're passionate in. It can be anything. Everything that is around you has been engineered by somebody. You have so many possibilities to have a hand in something to make a difference, and engineering is a great way to do it.